What if I told you you could get your first 100 YouTube subscribers, hopefully 1,000 subscribers in 2026, even if you have zero experience, zero fancy equipment, and zero clue what you're doing? Seriously, you don't need to be famous. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't have to have all the fancy equipment. You just need to know the easiest way to start. If you want to finally start your YouTube journey and get your first 100 subs, you're in the right place. If you're new here, welcome to day 6 of 90, where I am posting 90 days straight, hopefully full of tips, tricks, YouTube growth, struggles, mistakes, all that fun stuff. So if you're interested in following along in my journey from being a small creator to hopefully bigger, don't forget to subscribe. When I first thought, you know what, I want to do this YouTube thing, I kind of took a step back because I always thought that you had to have a big personality and just stuff that I couldn't afford. But here's what I learned, and this is what I loved. YouTube is for everyone, especially beginners. Here's what you'll gain when you start to understand this, and that is hopefully you'll stop feeling stuck. You'll stop lacking confidence. You'll start seeing real growth, and you'll start to feel proud of yourself every time you get a new subscriber. My name is Kim, 53 years old, currently laid off, and I am building this channel in public. Right now, I have 120 something subscribers, started last week with 115, so we're growing. It's slow, but we're still growing. I'm on a mission, and I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers in 90 days. But today, we're just going to focus on the first 100, because honestly, that's the hardest, and it's the most important. Obviously, I'm not any YouTube superstar, just a regular person, learning as I go. The reason why I'm building this channel in public is because if I can do it, then you can too. And I want to show that progress. Most people believe that you need to go viral to get subscribers, or that you need to bug your friends and family to subscribe. And number one, definitely not true. And number two, you do not want to get your friends and family to subscribe. Because here's the thing, if they subscribe and they don't watch your videos, it's kind of like, what's the point, right? And here's why this matters to you is because you don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be smart. And I'm going to show you the smart way. Step number one is you actually want to make videos that people are currently searching for. Now, the way that you want to do this is you go to YouTube, you click on the search bar, you start typing in your topic. Now, don't press enter. Look what pops up. YouTube actually gives us what people are searching for right now. What you want to do is pick one. Make a video about it. People will find your video even if you have 0 subscribers. So this helps you 2 ways. Number one, it gives you content ideas. And number two, it gives you content ideas that people are actually searching for, which is what I love. Next is the first 10 seconds of your video is everything. And here's a tip. If you start your channel with, hey guys, welcome to my channel, people will leave. What you want to do is start your video with something interesting. Because here's the thing. People don't care who you are. They care how you can help them. Now, once you start growing, they'll start to care who you are, and you can share, who you are and stuff like that. People watch a video because they want to get something out of it. You explaining for 30 seconds to a minute who you are doesn't help them get the answer to their question. So again, you want to start with something interesting. Something like, hey, follow these tips to get 100 subscribers this month. Or maybe you want to ask a question. Want to know the easiest way to grow on YouTube? Or maybe you want to make a promise. Here's how you can do X step by step. Now, here's why this matters. If you hook people in the first 10 seconds, chances are they're going to keep watching. When people keep watching, YouTube will show that video to more people. Because think of it this way. If YouTube has 2 videos to serve the same audience, and this video You have people that click on the video and leave after 3 seconds, but then you've this video where people hang out for a minute or two. Which video is YouTube going to serve people? They're going to serve them this one because it's keeping people on the platform longer. Step number 3, and this is something I'm still working on, is you want to make your thumbnails that pop. Because thumbnails are the first thing that people actually see. You want to keep your thumbnails simple. You want to show your face if you have a face-forward channel like I do. And you want to add 3 to 5 words of text that make people curious. Some examples could be first 100 subs, or no experience needed, or easy YouTube growth. And this will help you get more views and clicks. Now, more clicks equals more views and more subscribers. Step number 4 is you want to ask people to subscribe. And you don't just want to say subscribe. You want to tell people what they're going to get. So you can say something like, subscribe for easy YouTube tips, or subscribe to follow my journey, or join my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Why this matters is people want to know what's in it for them. You have to give them a reason to subscribe to your channel. Step number 5, if you are brand spanking new, you want to reply to every single comment that you get. You want to make them feel special. And you know what? You have the time, because if you're only getting 1 or 2 comments, you have the time to comment back. And you are creating your most loyal viewers that could potentially stay with you and follow your journey for the next year, or maybe even 5 years. Because when you comment and people feel like they're being seen, they're going to feel like they're part of your club and they'll want to come back. Now, this is the hardest part is staying consistent. You want to post regularly. Once a week is great. A lot of people start out once a week. More is even better. The more times that you show up on the YouTube platform, the more people will find you. YouTube rewards consistency, and so do your viewers. And this is something that I've struggled with for years, is staying consistent. And this is one of the reasons why I am doing this 90-day challenge, to challenge myself to show up every single day, not just for you, but also for me. Because here's the thing, as I'm creating videos, I'm learning, I'm discovering new things, and I'm failing more time. But that's the process, right? I want to fail fast. And that's exactly what I'm doing with the 90 days. And that's why if you have a couple months of time, maybe implement something similar into what you're doing. And maybe it's not a video every single day for 90 days, but maybe it's 1 video a week for the next 90 days. YouTube rewards consistency and showing up on the platform. A couple mistakes to avoid. Obviously, you don't want to beg for subscribers. You don't want to buy subscribers. You want to be a magnet. You want to attract your subscribers. Those are the people that are going to be loyal to you, and they're hopefully going to keep coming back. Mistake number 2, and I think this is something that people start off doing, and that is creating videos that nobody wants. If you start posting your first 30 videos about videos that don't do well on the platform, that's only going to leave you very discouraged and potentially want to quit. So that's where you want to implement that search feature, because YouTube is telling you exactly what people want to see. So utilize it. And mistake number 3, of course, is giving up too soon. It might take a few tries, and that's completely normal. You just need to keep going. I know some of you are actually thinking, but how do I actually get people to buy from me or support my channel? Especially if I'm under 1,000 subscribers. And here's why this matters. Learning how to attract subscribers is just the first step. The next step is learning real marketing and selling skills so you can learn and earn an income even before you're monetized. If you want to learn how to sell online and earn before hitting 1,000 subscribers, check out the free masterclass in the description below. And there's no pressure. It's just an option if you want to grow faster and make money faster. Let me know in the comments below how many subscribers you have and if you are going to implement the search strategy where you type in your niche and then it kind of auto suggests some topics you should talk about. Let me know if you're going to implement that. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join me on this journey. We can do this journey together of the goal of having 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the next 90 days.